Good morning, class 6. Before starting the exercise beta, there is one jump start is given to you. This is given to you for recall. Means आपको previous see here we have studied about geometry, means point, line, segments, all the things. Before we have to start that, let us recall something. See, identify the following shapes and write their names in the space provided. Here you have to identify the given shapes. See, this shapes is in which shape? ये shape जो है आपकी किस shape में है? See, it is not square because it is all sides are not equal. So what is it? Cuboid. Means see, it is made up with 4. What is it? Cuboid. Right? Next, this is in the form of cone. See, in this, their all sides are equal. All sides are equal. See, in this all sides are not equal, so it is cuboid, and in which all sides are equal is cube. What is cube? And it is in the form of cylinder. I hope these shapes you know very well. See, these cone and cylinder, you know, there is a difference between cube and cuboid is cube all the sides are equal, cuboid only opposite sides are equal. Now next is filling the blanks. The top surface of a cylinder is, see, this is the cylinder, top surface is in which shape? Circle or square? The shape of circle. So what you will write here? Circle. Next, the blackboard in your classroom is in the shape of, सी आपकी क्लास में जो ब्लैक बोर्ड है वो किस शेप में है? आइदर स्क्वायर और रेक्टेंगल. इट इज़ इन विच शेप? रेक्टेंगल. मोस्ट ऑफ द बोर्ड इन द क्लासेस आर इन विच शेप? रेक्टेंगल. नेक्स्ट इज द एंगल बिटवीन द वॉल्स एंड द फ्लोर ऑफ योर क्लासरूम. ए और एन means, see, options are given to you. One is right angle. You know about what is right angle and obtuse? Right angle is the angle of 90 degree and obtuse angle is the angle which is greater than 90, which is greater than 90, right? So the angle between the walls and the floor, see, this is your wall and this is floor, right? See, it is, what is the angle between this is? Right angle, because the wall on the floor is perpendicular, and in the perpendicular that is of right angle. Classroom of right angle. These are some points you have to remember every time. First one is blackboard in the class is of rectangular shape. Angle between walls and the floor is of right angle. The angle between the floor and the wall is right angle, means of 90 degree. See, a sandwich is cut in halves. Halves means half. Means half along one of the diagonal. See, this is your sandwich. Cut in half means this. This middle line is diagonal, one of the diagonals. The top surface of either half would resemble a, what is it? See, 1, 2, 3. It is having 3 sides. We are having only 2 options. One is triangle, one is square. So it is what? 1, 2, 3 sides having, and the 3 sides a figure having is triangle, right? Clear? Now come to exercise 4.1. See, in this chapter you will study about these few key terms, about these few words. In previous class also I have told you about some of these points. Okay, now come to the exercise 4.1. So in exercise 4.1, first question is the number of points in the line segment is 1, 2 or infinite. See, what is line segment? Line segment means a line which is having two ending points, right? The number of points in a line segment, in this line segment there can be many points. For many, what we use? Infinite. So what comes here? Infinite, right? Because they are saying the number of points in a line segment is infinite. Line segment is a line which is having two ending points, and in this line we can put many points, right? If here many option is given, you can also write many. Now second option, a line segment is a part of. Line segment is a part of line. So it is given to you. This fill up is already in your 5th class also. A line segment is a part of line, right? Now C part, two lines that meet each other at a point are called dash lines. See, two lines. One line is this, meet each other at a point. One is this. Look, on this point they both are meeting, right? They both are meet with each other. So what we call this point? What we call these two lines also and this point also? बेटा जिस पॉइंट पे ये दोनों लाइन एक दूसरे को कट करेंगी उस पॉइंट को हम बोलेंगे इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट. क्या बोलेंगे? इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट, राइट? और ये दोनों लाइन जो है वो क्या है? इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस. क्या है? इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस, राइट? बिकॉज ये दोनों कट कर रही हैं एक पॉइंट पे. इस पॉइंट को बोलेंगे इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट, और जो ये दोनों लाइंस हैं इनको बोलेंगे इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस. क्लियर? नाउ फोर्थ फिलअप इज a pair of line that do not meet each other. Means a pair of lines. Pair means how many lines are there? Two. That do not meet each other means they are not meeting with each other. So which kind of lines are these? Parallel or perpendicular? They are parallel lines. See, in previous class also, parallel lines will never meet. So which kind of lines are these? Parallel lines, right? Now second question is draw a line segment and label its end point. You can draw a line like this. See, I have already drawn it here. In a line segment means it having ending points. So you can write it like this. You will draw one line, put टू डॉट्स, दोनों तरफ आप डॉट्स लगाओ. ये क्या शो करेंगी कि आपकी जो लाइन है वो एंडिंग पॉइंट्स है यहाँ पे, कि आप इसको फर्दर एक्सटेंड नहीं कर सकते. और यहाँ पे नेमिंग क्या है? आप कोई भी नेम दे सकते हैं, ए बी पी क्यू सी डी, whatever and whichever you like. Now you can measure also if you want. Put your scale like this. See the corner on this, and it is of 3 centimeter. It is of 3 centimeter, right? Now third question, identify the types of line in each figure. Now types of line. See, they both are meeting at point, meet with each other. So what we call these lines? They are intersecting lines. Which kind of lines? Intersecting lines, right? They are not meeting, they are going equally parallelly. So these types of lines are parallel lines. Now see, they are one upon other, and here one symbol is also showing, that is of 90-degree angle, means perpendicular. So which kind of lines are these? Perpendicular lines. Right? Now next question, name the end points of the line segment in the following figure. Line segment end points. So first, P and Q of line segment PQ, right? Next is C and B. C and B of line segment CB. A and R. A and R of line segment AR. Right? Clear? See, these are the intersecting points. They are not the line segment. We have to, ये लाइन सेगमेंट नहीं है, ये आपका S और D जो है वो इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट गिवन है, और हमें जो क्वेश्चन में पूछा है वो क्या है? पॉइंट्स ऑफ लाइन सेगमेंट. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट, फाइंड द number of points of intersecting of a line segment in the following figure. We have to find the number of points, not name, only number. Intersecting means intersection point, I already told. Intersecting पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन मीन्स एक ऐसा पॉइंट जहाँ पे दो रेज आपस में कट कर रही हैं, लाइक दिस. ये दोनों यहाँ पे कट कर रही हैं, वन, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ and sixth. So total number of points of intersection are 6 points. Clear? Now next question. S3, draw two parallel lines and find the perpendicular distance between them. See, you can draw any two parallel lines like this. We can extend, that's why I am putting a arrow here. One this. See, they both are going parallelly, means ये कहीं मीट नहीं करेंगी एक दूसरे से, साथ के साथ चलती रहेंगी. इसलिए कौन सी लाइन है? पैरेलल लाइंस. ड्रॉ टू पैरेलल लाइंस. दिस इज डन. फाइंड द परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम, मीन्स कि हमें ये डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करना है. आप स्केल की हेल्प से डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. सी, the distance between these two rays is 1 centimeter. How much? Clear? आप इस डिस्टेंस को इंक्रीज भी कर सकते हो, इन लाइंस को भी इंक्रीज कर सकते हो. क्लियर? यू कैन राइट. एंड नेमिंग, बेटा कोई भी लाइन ड्रॉ करो, नेमिंग मत भूलना. C and D. राइट. एंड द डिस्टेंस, परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस इज 1 सेंटीमीटर. आप इसको इंक्रीज भी कर सकते हो, डिक्रीज नहीं, इंक्रीज. राइट. नाउ ड्रॉ अ रेक्टेंगल, label the midpoints of its side, join the first is we have to draw a rectangle. I will show it on a notebook. Rectangle means opposite sides are equal. Right. A rectangle is drawn. You will draw it with the scale. Now A, B, C, D. Midpoint means between. Now midpoints. Join the opposite points. Join these midpoints, opposite sides. Right? Now naming them also P, Q, R, S. Right? Now we have to write parallel lines and perpendicular lines. So parallel lines are AB, parallel lines equals to AB parallel RS, RS parallel DC. Right? Next AD, D parallel PQ and PQ parallel BC. Right? Now perpendicular lines equals to PQ perpendicular RS. Right? You can write also like this: AB parallel RS parallel DC and AD parallel PQ parallel BC. Choice is either like this or like this. Right? In the adjoining figure, name a line having the point P. See, one figure is given to you. The point having the point P, which is the line PR. So what you will write? Line PR. Right? A line passing through Q. A line passing through Q is line PR. It is passing through the point Q. Again line PR. Two pair of intersecting line. What is PR and US? See, two pair of intersecting line. First one is PR and US. PR and US. And second, see, it is one. Next is US and what is VW. So second pair is US and VW. You can write here line also, line US and VW. Now next is two lines on which Q lies. Two lines on which Q lies is first one same PR line PR and US and Q lies on PR and US. Clear? Now next question is mark and label 5 points randomly. Find the number of line segments that can be drawn connecting each point with every other point. See, they are saying 5 randomly points, means like this: 1 point, 2 point, 3, 4 and 5. Now next, find the number of line segments that can be drawn connecting each point with every other point. Means one single point like this, it will connect here with this also, and with this also. Right? Now it will connect with this, and with this. Now it will connect with this and with this. This one also with this, with this. Clear? Now it will connect with every. See, again I will tell you 5 random points. 1, 2, 3. You will draw the lines with the help of a scale. 4 and 5. Right. Firstly, we will start with first point. First point we join with this, here and here. Right. Now second point इसके साथ कनेक्ट करो, फिर इसके साथ कनेक्ट करो, एंड आफ्टर दैट विद दिस. क्लियर. अब बारी आती है आपके थर्ड पॉइंट की. थर्ड पॉइंट यहाँ कनेक्ट होगा, यहाँ कनेक्ट होगा, देन यहाँ. क्लियर. नाउ अब लाइंस काउंट करो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So total number of lines are 10. You can write number also. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Clear? Now this is your exercise 4.1. Do this exercise in your notebook.